Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. I can take that.
Alright guys, we're here back with another video, and today I'm going to be installing my brand new carbon fiber steering wheel. As you guys can see, I just put my hood on recently and it's really dusty right now, really dirty, so can't really see it that good. But today I'll be replacing this steering wheel NRG quick release with a brand new carbon fiber, full carbon fiber steering wheel. I'll show you guys how it looks like right now, but as of now, this is how my interior looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see it real good, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace this and it should be looking way better. I'll show you guys my trunk setup real quick. It's kind of dirty right now. I still need to clean it up. Some minor issues, but yeah. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be replacing my steering wheel. I bought a full carbon fiber steering wheel from Street Arrow, and I just have to take this one off, take it off the hub. This is a NRG steering wheel with the NRG hub. You guys can see I have the hub right there. Quick release NRG, and these are custom made brackets to hold your cruise control and your volume for your stereo. These are gonna come useful later on for a tune, so you could use these instead of having them just random. And because you take these off your OEM steering wheel and you plug them in and make a bracket, and it comes out looking like this. Super clean. It has aluminum right here. It's really stiff, like it's pretty tight there. But yeah, this is my interior. Got the diamond stitched carpets with my bride seats and stock stereo for now. I'll replace that very soon. And yeah. But anyways, I'll be replacing this steering wheel, and I shall show you how it looks like after. Let's get to it. Yay. Alright guys, well here we have it. This is my new carbon fiber steering wheel that I got from Street Arrow. Now this is a full carbon fiber steering wheel, as you can see. Full carbon fiber, super light, super strong. And this is my old one. This was just NRG black steering wheel, and this one has the horn in the middle, which is a little hub thing. And my new one only has the horn right here, but it came with this little plate that you put in the back. Not sure if I'm gonna put this plate or put this. I kind of like the plate look. It looks like more plain and stuff, but it came with 2 decals, and it also came with my black hardware to install it. And yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off all these screws right here with my L tool. As you can see, I'll take it off and install this NRG hub, carbon NRG hub. onto my new wheel. Now this is super light, like, and it's not because it's cheap and it's carbon fiber. It's super light and super strong. In fact, the Street Arrow guys would put cars on top of these, like as like jack stands, just to so you could see how strong they are. As you can see, they're like full carbon. I love it. It looks so good. I just gotta clean it up because had my hands dirty and I kind of touched it, but here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew all these, put the hub on this one, and get it ready. And you guys can see the difference. This one is up. This one is low. Has a deep dish. And that's what I want. So yeah. Alright, now that I got all these little screws off, all you do is unattach that, which is the hub, from this steering wheel. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one again or just use the other one, but yeah, I kind of like this little horn. But yeah, let me just get this off real quick and I'll show you how to install it on the other one. Alright, now since I took off my steering wheel, the other piece, steering wheel here, is the center piece. This is the piece that came with my new steering wheel. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'll find the cleanest side, this side. You attach it like this to the hub. And then you just attach the steering wheel like that. And there it is. Now I'm going to attach all the screws that came with it, which are these. And I'll show you guys how it looks after. But yeah, I love this steering wheel. Fuck that other one. Street Arrow all the way. So now I'm just going to attach all these new hardware that came with my steering wheel. And one by one just put them in there, align it. I do it by hand in the beginning just so you could get a feel of where it goes and shit. And off to the next one. Alright, once I'm done I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright, I got most of the screws in, but now I'm going to use this L that came with the steering wheel to tighten up all these screws, and I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done with it. Alright guys, here it is installed on the hub. It looks amazing. I just love how it looks, and I'll be installing it in my car pretty soon so you guys can see how it looks on the car. But jeez, look at this. Come on now, full carbon. She looks wet. wet as fuck. Can't wait to install it in the car. Alright guys, so here we have it. My new steering wheel all put together. You guys could see, full carbon fiber. Fucking love this steering wheel. And right next to it we have this by Street Arrow. If you guys are wondering, right there, hit them up, go to their website, cop one of these steering wheels. I really recommend it. The finish is so good, the quality is so nice. And this is my old steering wheel, NRG steering wheel, you know, just black with pearls on them. Right now it's kind of like, yeah, I took it all off, so it's just put out. And the big difference on this one is that this one is flat, like literally it's like flat, and this one is deep dish. That's what I love about this one. It has a deep dish, so it has a nice finish to it. And if you could see, so nice. Can't wait to go outside right now and put it on my car so you guys can see how it looks on my car. That's what I'm gonna go ahead right now and do. It is on my hub already, so it's ready to rock. This one's carbon fiber too, NRG carbon hub. Look at that. And then we got the carbon wheel now to go along with it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm about to install my steering wheel on. Like I said in the previous clip, I custom made this little bracket. I don't know if you guys could see it. Let me see. Let me just turn on my light real quick. Alright, so it's a bracket and it's attached to my back thing right here. It's 2 screws and it's like aluminum, hard aluminum though. And this basically just has the little clips on the side so you can have cruise control and the volume thing. But yeah, like I was saying, so I have my cruise control and my volume control on my quick release, because usually when you install the quick release steering wheels, this becomes unavailable for you. So basically now that's available for me and I could actually use it. It's really handy, and this could also be used if you plan to get tuned. This would control your maps and stuff. Highly recommend it. Really essential, and it also looks good. I really recommend it. But overall, this is my, let me just right now my air pressure's down. Kind of aired out my car. It's kind of like it kind of low right now. But yeah, this is how my interior is looking. I got black, this is black suede on this part, and I left that stock color so it could match with my seats. And I also did this part with I kind of wrapped it on this, so I did the little wrap over here too, and this part and this part in the back too. It's black suede. And center console too. Let me just clean this up because it's kind of dirty. I guess I didn't clean it up last time I was in here. I was moving things around and kind of got it dirty. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, yeah, I know it's automatic. But if you guys have any questions of the shifter, I could do like an install video on how to install this style of shifter on my car. It's pretty cool. I mean, better than the other shit. The other one's all bulky and I didn't like it, so this one looks more sleek. I'm gonna change this shift pretty soon. Also got diamond stitched carpet mats. They're really, really nice. Really recommend them. But yeah, let's get on to the video. But yeah guys, I'm about to install this steering wheel on. See how it looks on the car. I'm gonna need my one hand to press this. I'm gonna need both hands probably, but yeah, let me just put it on real quick and let me get back to you guys. Alright guys, here it is installed. I love it. It looks so good. You guys could see the carbon fiber on the steering wheel now. It's street arrow. If you guys are in the market for a carbon fiber steering wheel, I highly recommend this one. It's really nice. Quality is very good and it looks amazing. Can't complain. But yeah, it was my interior setup and how it looks inside. I can't complain. I just love how it looks. I'm so excited. And I like how it's like black in the center with no design and stuff. I mean, it makes it look more sleek. But yeah, let me get back to you guys, try to get a little view of it from the side. Alright. But yeah, this is how my interior looks now with the carbon steering wheel and with the rest of the stuff I have on. Fucking love it. Let me get a little closer view. Sheesh. Damn. Fucking sick. Alright, hold up. And that is how it looks like. Like I said, this one's a deep dish, so it's really in there. This just completed my interior, to be honest. Fucking love this steering wheel. Best part, getting in this car. Oh, getting to this wheel. But yeah, guys, it's definitely worth it. If you guys want to cop this steering wheel, like I said, hit up Street Arrow. You won't be disappointed. Best steering wheel I've seen so far, in my opinion.
She won't let me grind. She know I'm special, got put up on game before all of these bitches can slide. I got a rep on my side. They see the shit in my eyes. The money I get in disguise. She gave me the brain to ride. She got her shit together, but I can't trust her, she ain't a wife. Nigga be tripping the wife, any bitch that fucked on the squad and made it right. You better not cover, I'm all in the covers, I'm eating the snacks somewhere in the white. She ain't my lover, you gotta be dumb if you think I'm not trusting a bitch with my life. I'm on some other shit. Run me the money and we could just call it a night. Bitch of the night, I'm a captain.